Xiaomi's recent announcement of its 64-bit app adoption plan signals a major milestone in the company's ongoing software and hardware evolution. As smartphones become increasingly powerful, the necessity to adapt apps to make full use of these advancements becomes more pressing. Xiaomi's strategic move to embrace 64-bit apps shows the company's commitment to staying on the cutting edge of technology, ensuring its devices and software remain competitive in an industry that is becoming more demanding with each passing year. With more devices adopting 64-bit processors, Xiaomi's transition will have a lasting impact on both its hardware and software ecosystems. To understand why this move is significant, it's important to look at the broader context of mobile device development. For years now, smartphone manufacturers have been transitioning from 32-bit to 64-bit processors. The 64-bit architecture enables devices to access much larger amounts of memory, improving system performance, especially when it comes to multitasking, gaming, and handling large applications. This transition allows smartphones to better handle the more demanding apps of today, such as high-performance games, video editing software, and apps powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. By adopting 64-bit apps, Xiaomi is making sure that its devices can take full advantage of these advancements in hardware, ultimately improving the user experience. Xiaomi's decision to prioritize 64-bit app adoption also reflects the company's forward-thinking approach to mobile technology. For several years, many Android smartphones, especially in the lower and mid-range categories, have still been using 32-bit apps, even though the hardware has long since supported 64-bit processing. The need for 64-bit apps has been steadily growing as more apps and games become resource-intensive and require the extra power that 64-bit processors can provide. By making 64-bit apps a priority, Xiaomi is positioning itself to offer a more powerful and future-proof software ecosystem, ensuring that its smartphones remain capable of handling the most demanding tasks for years to come. The shift towards 64-bit apps will be especially important for Xiaomi given the wide range of devices the company offers. Xiaomi's lineup includes everything from budget smartphones to premium flagships, and ensuring that all devices in its portfolio are optimized for 64-bit architecture is essential for providing a seamless user experience across the board. Whether users are operating a high-end flagship device or a more affordable model, the transition to 64-bit apps will ensure that both groups can benefit from the improved performance and enhanced features that these apps can deliver. This broad approach is in line with Xiaomi's philosophy of making cutting-edge technology accessible to all users, regardless of the device they choose. On the developer side, the adoption of 64-bit apps presents both opportunities and challenges. Developers will need to optimize their apps to make use of the increased processing power and memory offered by 64-bit systems. While the transition to 64-bit might initially seem daunting for some, Xiaomi is likely to provide developers with the necessary tools, resources, and documentation to make the process as smooth as possible. This includes offering guidelines on how to develop 64-bit compatible apps, as well as providing testing platforms to ensure apps run efficiently across Xiaomi's entire range of devices. As more developers embrace 64-bit technologies, the ecosystem as a whole will become more robust, resulting in better apps and more streamlined experiences for users. Another crucial aspect of Xiaomi's move towards 64-bit apps is the impact it will have on app performance. One of the most immediate benefits of 64-bit app adoption is the enhanced performance users will experience. With more memory available and faster processing speeds, 64-bit apps can load more quickly, run more smoothly, and offer better multitasking capabilities. These improvements will be particularly noticeable in resource-heavy applications such as mobile games, video streaming, and AR/VR apps, where performance is critical. For users who rely on their phones for gaming or creative work, the transition to 64-bit apps will provide a significant upgrade to the overall user experience, making tasks faster and more fluid. In addition to the performance boost, 64-bit apps also allow for better power efficiency. With more advanced power management systems, 64-bit processors can run tasks more efficiently, reducing the strain on the battery and extending the overall battery life of the device. This is especially important for Xiaomi, as the company is known for producing smartphones with impressive battery life. By optimizing both the hardware and software for 64-bit systems, Xiaomi can continue to push the boundaries of battery efficiency while ensuring that users can enjoy high-performance apps without having to worry about draining their batteries too quickly. The 64-bit shift also makes Xiaomi better equipped to support the apps of the future. As mobile app developers continue to experiment with new technologies, including AI, augmented reality, and advanced gaming, having a 64-bit infrastructure will be essential for enabling these innovations. AI-powered apps, for example, require significant computational power to process data and deliver real-time results. With 64-bit apps, Xiaomi devices will be able to handle these tasks more efficiently, opening up new possibilities for users and developers alike. Xiaomi's move also sets the stage for future-proofing its software ecosystem. As mobile technology continues to evolve, software must keep pace with advancements in hardware. By adopting 64-bit apps now, Xiaomi is ensuring that its smartphones will remain compatible with the increasingly sophisticated apps of tomorrow. This not only benefits Xiaomi users but also helps to foster a more sustainable and cohesive mobile app ecosystem as a whole. As more Android devices adopt 64-bit architecture and developers optimize their apps for these systems, the entire Android ecosystem will become more streamlined and capable of supporting the latest technologies. In the long term, Xiaomi's 64-bit app adoption plan will likely lead to a more refined and cohesive software experience. With improved performance, better multitasking capabilities, enhanced battery life, and the ability to support advanced technologies, Xiaomi's smartphones will become even more versatile tools for users. Whether users are gaming, editing photos, working with AI-powered apps, or simply multitasking, the transition to 64-bit apps will make their devices more capable and reliable. This move solidifies Xiaomi's place as one of the top players in the smartphone industry, helping the company remain at the forefront of mobile technology and ensuring that its devices continue to meet the needs of today's tech-savvy consumers.